Good afternoon,
Good
everyone.
afternoon. Yes, we have some really delicious things here.
Yes,
Take a look at the ingredients.
yes. Today's you focus on this Thai, but
Right, so
today's main ingredient is this one. This one is called oboro kombu. It's a shredded carrot.
Right.
Okay, you can buy at the umami insider, but this product actually coming from Hokkaido prefecture.
Okay.
They have a best carrot. You can get it.
You know, kind of, I can't wait
Yes.
to try it here. Isn't there another kind of kelp as well?
Tororo kombu.
Yeah.
Yes.
What's the difference?
The two very similar type of the kombu. It's called tororo kombu, and this is oboro kombu. What's the difference is between two? Okay, so oboro kombu. Let me show you the. Let's think about this as if the seaweed. Okay, oboro kombu is using the scrape, the shredding like this way.
Shredded. Okay.
Right, but tororo kombu is put some of the seaweed layer out like this, okay? Then actually they cut into this way.
Okay.
So
Against the grain, right?
right, the fibers coming this way, right?
Okay.
Oboro kombu is shredding like this,
Right.
but tororo kombu is actually the cutting like this.
Got it.
Yeah, okay. So when you put on the soup, oboro kombu will still stay, the kombu stay
Okay.
in the kind of, how they call the shape still there. But tororo kombu is kind of melting out.
Okay.
Yeah. That's
Sounds
all.
good.
So today I'm going to use oboro kombu.
All right.
Besides the oboro kombu, I'm
Yep.
going to use the sushi rice here. It's already mixed with the sushi vinegar.
Okay.
And I have a snapper here. This
Right.
is from Japan too. I use another video for other side. Okay.
Okay.
And I have a ginger here, and oba, kaiware, and this is the ichiban dashi soup used for the udon.
Okay.
So which I going need to add the more flavors. So here I have a ginger powder, yuzu powder here, right? Salt, muroto shinkai salt. Okay. Shinkai no hana. Okay. Shinkai no
Okay.
hana, and sudachi, and infused vinegar, infused soy sauce, and mirin here.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna use today's. This is a udon noodle, sanuki noodle,
Okay.
which are my favorite one. And here is this is a fish cake. Okay. So one. This is interesting. One is on the wood.
Right.
This is kamaboko. We call kamaboko. Okay. So this one, everybody know what this is called.
Looks like a churros.
This is called Naruto.
Yeah. Looks like a churros. You know churro? It's like the Spanish dessert. It's like flour. They fried and then put sugar on top of it.
Okay, I think I never tried
I want
that.
to take it and have one.
Yeah, so listen, we're gonna show you that cut
Yeah,
more clearly.
Naruto, yeah.
Now you can see clearly. This is a Naruto.
Okay.
So come from Naruto. So we're gonna do two dishes today. So first I'm gonna take a little fillet out.
Okay.
Okay, so that's our first step. Next one is sugar powder. Over. Snapper. In the middle. Load it up. Let's see how oboro kombu looks like. You never seen it?
No, never.
You never tried this one, right?
Never tried it.
Okay, that's interesting. So
it's ready to eat like that?
yeah, you can eat it like that too.
But how do people normally, they don't soak it in water, right?
Not really soaking into the water, but like I say, you can put it into the udon noodle.
Oh, I see.
Or
Okay.
maybe you can put maybe how they call it, steam rice.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm gonna do making. See, so this is the one thing is shredding.
Right, I see it.
You know,
A lot of texture in there.
right. So I'm gonna this one use as like a seaweed. Oboro kombu is just like you know, the seeds like that. So I'm gonna wrap. This is sushi. Roll sushi
very
with
unique,
oboro
huh?
kombu. Okay. Like that. Then plastic wrap and pile up. You know the sashimi Thai we do very often. We do the kobujime.
Yeah.
So we use the kelp. You know, put a little salt and sandwich with the kelp.
Okay.
And keep in the cooler for a few hours. So this is kind of sushi kobujime.
Nice.
Oboro maki. Oboro maki. Okay, so one more recipe. I'm going to make a udon noodle with the oboro kombu.
Okay.
So here is ichiban dashi already. So this is, as you know, the kelp and then the bonito flake, the ichiban dashi. So I'm gonna use ichiban dashi for 1.5 cups.
He said your father used to make it like this too, right, Hiro?
Hmm?
Your father used to have the.
Oh, my father, when he eats the udon noodle,
yeah, he
always
did the same
he
thing.
put in the tororo kombu.
Oh, to
He
the
likes the
other one.
tororo kombu. The
Okay.
similar one, of course, you know. He
Not
likes the
shredded.
tororo kombu.
Okay.
Yeah. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the mirin and soy sauce
Okay.
and salt. Then I'm gonna add the flavor.
Okay.
So actually, my hometown style, Kochi, more likely Kansai side is we're using the light color soy sauce, so the soup is not getting dark.
Right.
But instead, I'm gonna use today's this is special soy sauce.
Okay.
So infused, bonito infused soy sauce.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. This is just a little meaning. Okay. Just a little meaning. And soy sauce a little bit. I don't want to put too much color anyway, so just a flavor. Okay. Then the other one, I'm gonna add the salt.
Okay.
Okay. And just check the taste. Always you should check the taste. Just a little bit more salt.
Okay.
That's it. Okay, let's assemble everything. But before, when you use a donburi, right? This is in the core. When you use hot items, better put the hot water. Just like you're making the espresso, right? Just warming up the cups or donburi, like that. Just keep it like that. Just put in the noodle here. So today I'm using the Sanuki frozen udon, but of course you can use the fresh one, or maybe you can use making your own homemade udon noodle.
Okay.
Will be nice. Okay. This is very easy, just melting out. That's it. So while waiting the noodle things, I'm gonna slice up the kamaboko. Slice it. Okay. And I'm gonna put a couple pieces. Maybe 1, 2, and then Naruto. 1, 2, 3 pieces. I'm gonna throw away the hot water, and look, this is very hot.
Okay.
It's good. Then udon noodle. I'm gonna take it out. Udon noodle. Okay, like that. You can add the shrimp tempura, vegetable tempura. It's called tempura udon, you know.
Yeah.
And then sometimes we do put a raw egg.
Oh, okay.
It's called tsukimi udon.
Okay.
So instead of the scallion, I'm gonna use the kaiware today. Now, this is the main ingredient, oboro kombu. Here. This
You
is
just put it on top and that's it?
yeah, that's it.
So it gives it more additional flavor too, right?
Yes.
More umami
Kombu
flavor, I'm
umami
sure.
flavor. So as much you want, you can put it. And then when you eat it, just press.
Wow.
So all the way. Okay, like that. Then I'm gonna use the yuzu powder.
Okay.
Little yuzu things, you know, extra flavor.
All right. Take a look. It's a beautiful roll, amazing snapper, and an amazing seaweed too. Hiro-san, can't wait to try it. Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is for the oboro kombu sushi.
Okay.
I'm gonna add those soy sauce with
sushi. Yep.
little infused vinegar a little bit. Then now shichi sriracha a little bit. It's kind of ponzu, you know.
Yeah.
So this is what I'm gonna use it for the sushi. Okay, let's try the sushi first. I take this one. Yes, look at that.
Very nice.
Okay.
Okay, I've never seen a roll like this before.
You think this is salty because of kombu?
It looks salty just because it's white, and I know kombu normally from the ocean it's already gives in that.
You think it's salty, right?
It looks salty,
Well,
yeah.
Try one piece.
Okay.
It's not as salty. So much umami flavor coming
Wow,
from
and it
the
would- yeah.
oboro kombu.
And everybody talks umami
And then-
flavor. That's that.
And then ginger inside of the roll.
the
Very
fresh soba.
refresh. It's not salty at all. No? You never had it before this one. It's an interesting flavor,
Wow.
right?
Textures, because of the seaweed on top, it gives a kind of a soft texture. Of course, you have to chew through it and all that, but it's actually very, very good. I taste the oba, really fresh, and the snapper, just like, wow. It's so hard to explain this flavor. I really like this though. Not salty at all. Everyone talks about umami flavor, and let me tell you what, this is just bursting with umami flavor. You have the ginger in there. You also have the oba. Hiro, this is like one of my favorite rolls now. Amazing, but the textures itself. Oh man, I wish you guys could try this.
That's good. Okay. So next one, go to udon. Let's take udon. So like I say, before you start to eat, just press it a little bit, soaking two more. Okay, I take some noodle here. Put some noodle here. Then soup. Then and then oboro kombu.
I really like that.
Like that. So okay, like that. We go like that.
Good, huh?
The soup is already good,
Yeah.
good enough, but oboro kombu.
The flavor is. Let me tell you, you guys have no idea. You guys gotta. What is it? How do you get? How do people buy this? What's a website?
Oh,
Umami
This is
Insider.
Umami Insider. Yes.
Umami Insider docs.
You can buy Umami Insider. Okay.
You guys got to get a pack and try it at home. It is
Yeah.
amazing. I'm telling you, the flavors you guys experience with this, you've never had it before. I've never had it before.
And then if you like to check in my hometown, please go to the website, visit Kochi, Japan.
Right.
And also another ingredients, fresh Kochi.
Kochi fresh.
Kochi fresh.
Right, right.
Okay. All two websites are here.
Information down below and check the description box. You guys, you have no idea. A whole another level of flavor. Delicious, Hiro. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you soon.